I have HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer and let's start with the first secret code. *pound 284657 ###. That's it, the project menu pops up. This is the most useful secret code, the most useful hidden mode. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose background settings and, for example, make background debug open. You can change USB port settings. Here you can select the USB mode. You can also use AP log settings and also make it open. That's it, let's go back. Here you can also check out the venue information. For example, the version info on the device is processing data. Alright, here you've got the information. For example, the bootloader version, kernel version and other stuff. Let's go back. You can also check out manufacturer info right here and other info. You can also verify key if you would like to. So now let me open network information query. Here you've got two important things, symlog info, and as you can see in that case symlog is deactive, and the vendor country info right here. Alright, let's go back. You can also accomplish updating the device by using software upgrade by memory card. You can accomplish the hard reset by choosing restore factory. Let's just be careful with that operation because you will lose all your data if you perform that. You can also choose battery charge and you can read the battery level and battery temperature. Alright, let's go back. Let me quit the project menu and it's time to open the about phone. So let's use this code. *pound 0000 ###. About just pops up. So you can just open this section by using this secret code and you can read here build number, hardware version and other stuff. Let's go back. It's time to open Google Play Service Mode, so let's use *pound 426 ###. Google Play Service just pops up. Here you can choose ping, connect, disconnect, events or status. Let's go back and you may also here open the calendar info, so let's use *pound 225 *##. Calendar info pops up, so everything went well. Let's go back. At the end, let me show you how to check out the email number and serial number by using a secret code. So let's use *pound 06 #, and the email and serial just pops up. Let's tap OK to close this window and basically everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.